Okay, so I'm back with that part I just talked about, with the 60-degree bend, and we were going to cut this off. So I ended up holding it up, and I wanted to cut a little more off of here than I originally thought, so that this bend wasn't too far out. So I added 2 inches to my overall, but I'll tell you how I got to my final 34 1/4. Was this math, which gave us the bend length, 5 3/4, the 2 foot here. So 2 foot, 24-inch, 5 3/4, and then this. I added a couple inches to be safe after I looked at it one more time, and I'm glad I did, because we now have 2 bars coming down that I'll be able to add one across right here to create like an armrest almost, and then we'll be good to go on this. So that'll be the easy one. These are the hard ones because they're bent, but I got her tacked in. I do want to also mention I'm doing this with a dry rig TIG welding. It's pretty cool. It's like a $400 Everlast stick welder / dry TIG, and it's about the easiest way you can TIG weld and put down nice clean welds for cheap. No pedal needed. You just touch the torch on the metal, pull it off, you have an arc, you weld, then you pop away. You have to make sure you turn your valve on. That's how you get your gas flow. And then you have to sharpen your tungsten a bit more, because you know you're always touching your metal. But for this kind of stuff, I mean, look what I'm working on here. This is not the nicest. You know, there was like paint pieces in there and stuff, and there is a washer in here. It's when you do a butt weld like this, you want something in there. A slug is good. I already had a washer on there, so it created a bulkhead type of fitting. And since this is just a door bar, it's not over the top of your head, I'm totally not worried about that at all. Plus, it's going to be tied in this way. So, yeah, that's just some simple tube math kind of coming together in reality.